This is Peter here at Loch Ness in wonderful Scotland. Just a quick Facebook Live. At the moment I'm on a cruise with Jacobite Cruises, and I thought I'd show you some of the views that I'm seeing now. So moving forward now, it really is very beautiful. The time is approximately 11 minutes past 12 on our last day here at Loch Ness, our last full day. If ever you try to get the chance to come to Loch Ness, please do. It's superb. You really could imagine there was something here. The water is grey and very, very deep. If you actually fell in, as the announcer said, you would see it's very dark because of the peat that comes in from the shoreline. And it's been down there for centuries. There have been fish that have been caught from very deep, very rare species. So I think Nessie is here. What do you think? It's got a little grey here today, but still very beautiful. There is Orchard Castle. A dream made reality for me because I've always dreamed of coming here. I think I'm in love with Scotland. I was born in Derbyshire almost 66 years ago, and I think my family moved down from Scotland over the centuries. I think somewhere there is a pattern for Lithgow, and I know we have our coat of arms. I'll see if I can put a little image of it in the bottom corner of this video. These past days in Scotland have been wonderful. We've travelled around to a lot of beautiful places, Orchard Castle, ski resort. Amazing. Thank you to David and Nancy for this great opportunity. I'd like to come back one day and see more. So this is Peter signing off for the moment from Loch Ness in Scotland. Scotland the beautiful, Scotland the brave. Bye for now.